Causing disturbance globally, her death has sparked the abortion debate in Ireland, prompting thousands of protesters to hit the streets, asking the government to ease the law. A day after the External Affairs Ministry in India said it was monitoring the probe into Savita's death, her family in India has written to the Prime Minister and President demanding justice.
She became a victim of an archaic law in a foreign country. Savita's death, who died after being refused an abortion in Ireland, has prompted angry protests across the globe. Tormented by the loss of their daughter, Savita's parents now appealing for justice, asking the Prime Minister and the President for an independent probe.
ಈ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ವಹಿಸದೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಡಿಗಳ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ನಡೆಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ಫ್ರೀ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೇರ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ನಡೆಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಅಫೇರ್ಸ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ.
ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಭಾಳ ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಭಾಳ ಆಗೈತೆ ಆಕಿಗೆ. ಅದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ಇದರ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಇದು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯಾಯ ಸಿಕ್ಕಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದ. ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಲ್ದೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳಿಗಲ್ದೆ ಈ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಜಯ ಸಿಕ್ಕಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದೊಂದು ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ಅನ್ಯಾಯದ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ನೀವು ಹೋರಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ.
Savita's death has once again sparked the abortion debate in Ireland. The cabinet will take up a report of an expert group on the issue today.
It would be wrong of me to preempt what the cabinet might decide, but certainly I'd like to see the report published as soon as possible after that, and I'd also hope that in a matter of weeks to months we would have a definitive position.
A brutal law has cost an innocent woman her life. Her death may have reignited the abortion debate in Ireland, forcing the government to act. But for Savita's family, it is a loss they will take a long time to come to grips with. Bureau Report.